Can you imagine that you can get paid $1,500 just by listening to your favorite music every day? I will show you how you can do that today. So, how to do it? This is how to earn $1,500 just by listening to music. I will teach you how you can earn from this. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and then you can start making money just by using your favorite browser regularly. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. Let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called SoundCloud. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the website that you need because I have left all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links from the description. Also, you can search for SoundCloud on Google. You need to click on the first result here. This is the website where you can spend your time discovering different music, songs, and other types of music. Also, this website is 100% free, so you don't need to spend any money to sign up and start making money. When you scroll down on this page, you can see that there are a lot of categories of trending music that you can listen to. Also, it doesn't have to be in English. You can listen to songs in Hindi and every other language. When you scroll down again, it doesn't matter if you have Android, iPhone, you can still download this app for free. So if you have an Android phone, you can go to Google Play Store where you need to search for SoundCloud and it will look something like this. Just make sure to download the right app. You can easily recognize this because as you can see, it has over 5 million plus reviews. But if you're using an iPhone, you can come to the Apple Store and search for SoundCloud. The app will look like this. Again, make sure to download the right one. And this one again has a lot of positive reviews. Now, when you have installed SoundCloud on your device, you can start exploring millions of songs and all different types of music that you can find on this website. I will now show you what I usually do, and it is probably the easiest way. You need to scroll down until you see this button. Click here and it will take you to this page. Here you can go through every trending music and it's sorted by all these categories. For example, if you want to listen to this music in this playlist, you just need to click on it and it will send you to this page. Here you can simply click on this button to start playing the music. As you can see, this playlist contains a lot of songs, so you will not need to change the song every time it finishes. This playlist will play automatically for about 2.5 hours. You can do this exact same process on your smartphone. Now, before I show you how you can use this website and start making money online, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, I will give you some bonus and tips on how you can increase your earnings, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now, let's make some money. Now you know how you can find the music to listen to. Step number 2 will be to go to this website. On this website, you can find lyrics for almost every song that exists. If you want to find the lyrics for one song, for example, here in the search bar, you need to put the name of the song or the name of the artist. As you can see, here is that song. You will be taken to the page that will look like this. Here you are able to listen to the song and read everything at the same time, which is great. Now, I want you to focus your attention here. Step number 3 for you will be to head over to the website called Rev. On this website, you can find different types of jobs that you can do and earn money from them. As you can see on this website, you will get paid $1.50 per minute. If you take 3 minutes, you will see that you will get paid $4.50 for every song you transcribe. You can see that they offer transcription jobs, English captions, and foreign subtitles jobs. So you just need to transcribe these songs from this website, and we will use this website to get paid for it. Now, I want you to scroll down until the bottom of this website. Here you can see the section about Rev. Under it, you need to click on this button that says freelancers. It will then take you to this page where you can start earning money. As you can see, you will have a flexible work schedule on this website. So you will work whenever you want. Then you will have hundreds of options. You will be able to choose from hundreds of different jobs to work with. Also, you will get paid weekly. This website pays every week on time with no delay. When you scroll down here, you'll be able to see that this website basically offers 2 different types of jobs. I want you to click here where it says learn more. It will then take you to this page where you can get more information about the job. Also, to sign up and get approved for this job. So here you can see that Rev accepts transcription and caption freelancers from the countries listed below. So if you're from India, for example, it will take you to this page where you can sign up and create a free account and start earning money. Here you need to fill out this form, which requires a first and last name, email address, and then select your country. And lastly, click here where it says next. Now I will show you another website where you can earn money in the same way as on Rev. You will be able to double your money and earn much money. They will pay you for the same job as Rev. So you can just copy the work that you submitted on Rev and paste it here. You need to scroll down until the end of this page, and then you need to click on this button work. Now, I want you to click here on Apply Now. It will send you to this page where you need to sign up for this website. Here you need to just put your email address and your password. After that, just click here where it says sign up, and that's it. Here you can see my other videos that you can watch if you want. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and start making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.